What's going on, my friend? Garrett Berry here. Now, recently I was getting comments on my YouTube video saying, Garrett, I love your affiliate marketing training, but are there any tools you recommend, right? Do you use any software or any tools to make it even easier? Well, if you're someone that's brand new or maybe you're struggling to truly create the income you want online, this is the video for you. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through my top 5 affiliate marketing tools that I've personally used and most successful affiliate marketers use and would recommend. And I'm gonna break down exactly what they are, how they work, and then in the description below, there's gonna be links to all of these so you can check them out at the end. So without further ado, let's dive into it. But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video. All right, my friends, so what is the very first tool? Well, if I go to it, it's called BuzzSumo, okay, buzzsumo.com. Now, what this tool actually allows you to do is better do content marketing. So it helps you with content marketing. Now, what is content marketing? Well, when you want to make money with affiliate marketing, you need to actually generate visitors to your sales page, okay? If you're promoting an affiliate product online, most will give you a sales page that they've already created. This explains the product and sells it for you. Well, we need to get as many people as possible to that page, because the more people that check out that sales page, the more people that will potentially buy and the more money that will potentially make. So what does BuzzSumo do? Well, content marketing is something where you actually create content, whether it's articles, blog posts, videos. Okay, what I'm doing right now is actually a form of content marketing. It's where you post content, okay, valuable information solving the problems that your product potentially solves, okay? So you would teach something in the article of value to attract your ideal customer to you, but a lot of people don't know what to make articles about. How do you find winning topics? Well, BuzzSumo, you can literally go to this site, type in any topic that, let's say you want to do a video on, or you want to find out what to do a blog about. You can type this in and it will pump out the most popular at this time. For example, if I type in, let's say, weight loss, okay, and I hit enter, you're gonna be able to see that we can actually see the top articles by filtering by the date, okay? Now, these are the top articles that have to do with weight loss or whatever topic you type in, ranked by social shares, most engaged, okay? So you can actually find content that is posted recently that has to do with the niche that you're promoting products in, and you can actually find winning content ideas. Go to these articles that are already proven to work, read over them, put them in your own words, or curate other people's articles together into one main article or one main video, and then create that. Now, right now, it's actually filtering by the date of the past year, okay? So these articles are all the past year, and again, these are the top ones. So if I open this one, this is gonna be an article that has to do with weight loss. And again, you could read over this, and you could, if you were in this niche, you could do a video talking about, hey, here's 3 tips that Joaquin Phoenix used to get ready for the Joker, and then boom, you make a video. That's gonna be popular because it's already proven to work, and you're gonna start to get traffic and visitors when you send them in your articles, in your video, to your sales page, okay? So this is the very first tool, very powerful, can get endless content ideas. Okay, now if you try to filter by, let's say, the last 24 hours, you're gonna see this pop up. Now, BuzzSumo does require you to pay if you wanna use some of the finer details as far as looking at content the last 24 hours and things like that. Now, the plan, the basic plan is $79 a month, okay? But again, if you're making money, if you're doing content marketing and you want to take that serious, this is a tool you can actually use. But you can start doing some free searches as well to get ideas, okay? So you don't actually have to pay, and you can do the lowest plan if you decide to do that. Now, the second tool, my friend, is something called Bitly, okay? This is bitly.com. Now, what you have to realize is while you're doing YouTube videos, let's say, or maybe you're creating blog posts to attract your ideal customers, your potential leads to you, what you want to realize is a lot of times when you go get an affiliate link to promote, It's this long, nasty, unattractive link, okay? So if you put that in your YouTube description or you link that directly in your blog, it's gonna be very unattractive and it's not gonna look professional. What Bitly does, it's a free link shortener. So it allows you to put a long link into it and it shortens it to make it much more attractive. And if I log in to Bitly, you'll see how it works, okay? And if I just go up to create, you would just paste a long URL, okay? So for example, let's say I pasted, google.com slash how to make money online, okay? I'm just making that website up. I probably doesn't exist, but let's say that's an example. You would paste that affiliate link in there, and then you just hit create, okay? Which is, there's a button at the bottom, but when you hit create, instantly it's gonna create this shortened link, and then you can just copy that and go to it. Now, if you go to it, it's gonna go directly to that YouTube how to make money, which again is not a page, but that's how that works. So then you can take that shortened link, put it in your YouTube description, put it on your blog. It's gonna look way more powerful. Now, what is the third affiliate marketing tool? Well, this is something called a click tracker, okay? What you wanna realize is when you start promoting things online, when you start making content, when you start creating videos, you're gonna do a lot of different things and you wanna know what's actually working the best so you can put more effort into that and really start to scale your money and your earning ability more and more. Now, how do we find out what works? Well, we need to track where the visitors are actually coming from. And what you can actually do is use a site like clickmagic.com. This is one of the tracking softwares I've used. And this allows you to actually put in a long URL, okay? So you could actually use this, and then you could even shorten the ClickMagic link with Bitly, okay, to make it more attractive. But essentially, you would take your affiliate link that you get from, let's say, clickbank.com or wherever you're getting your affiliate products to promote. You can take that link, put it into ClickMagic, and then what it's gonna ask you to do is enter in different IDs, different ways to keep track of who that visitor is. So for example, you could put in YouTube, okay? So then what would happen is, let's say you wanna promote that link on YouTube, you would have the long link and at the very end it would say equals YouTube, okay? Let's say you were running a promotional thing on Instagram and you wanna track how many people are actually coming from, let's say, my Instagram story versus YouTube. Well, then you could put it in the ClickMagic, and at the end of the link, you could add Instagram traffic. So it's gonna be this long affiliate link equals Instagram traffic. And then when you use that link on your Instagram story, if anyone clicks that, you're gonna be able to tell, okay, on my Instagram story, I got 20 visitors. On YouTube, I got 100 visitors. Okay, maybe it's more important to just focus on YouTube, okay, or whatever the case may be. So tracking where your clicks are coming from is very, very important, and most struggling affiliate marketers are not actually doing that. So I'm gonna include a link again to check out ClickMagic. This is a recommended click tracking software. There's lots of them out there, but I've used this one myself, so definitely an important tool. Now, what's the next one, okay? The next tool is basically a funnel creation software, okay? Now, I personally recommend ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels I've been using for the last year or so. It's absolutely incredible, but there's other ones like leadpages.net, okay? There's a few other ones out there. The reason you want to have a funnel creation software is because most people, when they go to promote something online in affiliate marketing, the mistake they make is they take the visitor, okay, let's say they're on Facebook, and they'll send people from Facebook directly to the sales page with their affiliate product they're promoting. The problem is most people don't decide to buy instantly. Most people don't decide to take instant action. So you have to follow up with those people. Now, the top affiliate marketers, what we actually do is we build something called an email list. This is a list of people that have actually visited our funnel and they've put their email into what's called a capture page. Now, this is just a page that captures your prospect's email, and then you can follow up through emails, okay? Following up, offering different products, you know, promoting different things and stuff like that. So you definitely want to be creating a funnel. And I personally recommend ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is just $97 a month, but again, it's a much needed thing. Lead Pages is a little bit cheaper, but you can't do as much. Okay, with ClickFunnels, you can create membership sites. You can create webinar pages, okay, if you want to start doing webinars. ClickFunnels is really an all-in-one done for you solution as far as creating funnels. And again, you can see this is my actual account. I've created tons of these. If I open up this has 7 pages alone, okay? So I use this all the time, and it's very, very powerful. So I had to share ClickFunnels. Again, much needed tool. I'll include a link where you can actually try it out totally free for 14 days. And you can start creating funnels, start playing with it, see if this is for you. But again, if you're gonna wanna do affiliate marketing consistently and long term, you're gonna wanna start building an email list, and this is the best way to do it. Now, last but not least, my last affiliate marketing tool that you must have, in my personal opinion, is an autoresponder. Okay, we just talked about ClickFunnels. That's how you're gonna be collecting your prospects' email addresses. But how do we actually collect and hold their email addresses and then follow up with them through emails? Well, we need something called an email autoresponder service. Now, the one I personally use right now is called GetResponse. Again, I'm gonna include a link in the description. You can get 30 days free, okay, that you can try it out, start doing it. Now, what does GetResponse do? Again, it allows you to send one email. Let's say you build a list, and I'll log in right now to my actual account. I am actually using GetResponse. Now, let's say you build an email list, okay? Well, let's say you have 1,000 people on your email list. What GetResponse allows you to do is send out one email. Let's say you're promoting a product. You could send one email out to 1,000 people on your email list, and they'll instantly get that email. Now, out of all those people, some people are going to potentially buy, and that's how you're going to be making money, okay? So you want to be able to, rather than manually go to Gmail and put every single person's email address one at a time, and it takes forever, and this is a way that you can actually automate it, get people collected into this email list, and then send one email to everyone at one time. And that's what I've personally been using the last 5 years, is an email autoresponder service. Now, you can see that I sent this newsletter, okay, that's what it's called, the email, to 21,000 people, okay? And I had a 10% open rate. 2,126 people opened that email, okay? Imagine what could happen if you had even 100 people open an email promoting a product or sending people to, your affiliate product that you're promoting, right? So absolutely incredible, my friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I wanted to break down what I personally believe, if you're just starting affiliate marketing or maybe you're struggling, my 5 recommended affiliate marketing tools to really get results as soon as possible. I've used these. Tons of successful affiliate marketers will recommend the same things, and I highly recommend that. If you like this video and want me to make more videos like this, be sure to click the like button to let me know. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest videos. And last but not least, if you're watching this and any of these tools you want to find out more information about or you want to start using, there's going to be links in the description to free trials and different ways so you can start to use these and test them out, okay? So thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you in my next video.